नमस्कार। अधिवक्ता परिषद दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट यूनिट की तरफ से मैं रिधिमा गौड़ आप सभी को नमन करती हूँ, वंदन करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ इन द सेकेंड नेशनल वर्चुअल क्रिमिनल मूट कोर्ट competition. And I would also like to congratulate all the 41 teams who have qualified on the basis of memorials for this moot court competition. So without further time, I would like to request Ms. Deepa Malik ji, Advocate Delhi High Court, to please come on the virtual dais for Vande Mataram.
सभी को नमस्कार। हम अपना वंदे मातरम शुरू करते हैं। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, शुभं सफलं मलयज शीतलं षष्ठश्यामना मातरम, वंदे मातरम, शुभ्रः ज्योत्स्ना फुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं, वन्दे मातरम्। कोटि कोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद कराले, कोटि कोटि ब्रजधर खर करवले, अबाला के नामायित बले, बहुबल धारिणी नमामि तारिणी, रिपुदल वारिणी मातरम, वंदे मातरम। त्वमि विद्या त्वमि धर्म त्वमि हरि त्वमि मणि त्वहि प्राण शरीरे, बहुत्वमेव शक्ति हृदये त्वमेव भक्ति, तमोरै प्रतिमा गणि मंदिरे मंदिरे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। त्वहि दुर्गा दश धारिणी कमला कमल दल विहारिणी, वाणी विद्या दायिनी नमामि त्वं नमामि, कमलां अमलां अतुलां सुजलां सफलां मातरं, वन्दे मातरं। शयनां सरलां सुष्मितां भूषितां धारिणी भारिणी मातरं, वन्दे मातरं, वन्दे मातरं। जय हिंद।
Dhanyawad Deepa ji, and I would like to request all the dignitaries as well as the participants to please switch on your cameras and turn off your mics. Okay, thank you so much. आज अधिवक्ता परिषद दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट यूनिट के लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है, क्योंकि आज के दिन हमारे फाउंडर मेंबर्स ने हमको ज्वाइन भी करा है। सबसे पहले मैं याद करना चाहूँगी लेट श्री सूर्य किशन जी एंड श्री वी एम भारद्वाज जी, जो हमारे मेंटोर्स थे, हमारे गाइडिंग स्पिरिट्स थे, जो अधिवक्ता परिषद के जिन्होंने वो बीज बोए थे अधिवक्ता परिषद के कि आज वो एक इतना बड़ा वटवृक्ष बन गया है, और उनकी गाइडेंस और उनकी जो नेक विचार थे वो आज अधिवक्ता परिषद को इस मुकाम तक लेकर आए हैं। तो हम सब उनको याद करते हैं, तहे दिल से उनको विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। ऑल्सो टुडे वी हैव विद अस श्री हरि बोरीकर जी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेक्रेटरी नॉर्थ जोन। सर इज ऑल्सो हियर। सर, हम आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हैं। वी ऑल्सो हैव विद अस फाउंडर मेंबर्स श्री आर के वर्मा जी, श्री जेपी शर्मा जी, श्री आदर्श गोयल जी, श्री सोम प्रकाश वर्मा जी, श्री के एल झंगानी जी, श्री मूलचंद गर्ग जी, श्री रणधीर जैन जी एंड श्री प्रवीण खत्री जी। सर, हम आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हैं और आभार व्यक्त करते हैं अधिवक्ता परिषद दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट यूनिट की तरफ से कि आज आप हमारे बीच में हैं। दिस इज इंडीड अ प्लेजर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस दैट यू आर हियर फॉर अस। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। Also, we have members from National Executive also. We have with us Shri Vinayak Dixit ji, President Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. We also have with us Shri Srinivas Murthy ji, Working President Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Shri D. Bharat ji, General Secretary Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Shri C. L. Arora ji, Treasurer Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Shri Santosh Kumar ji, Office Secretary Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Ms. Suman Chauhan ji, Secretary Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. We also have with us Shri Jitesh Vikram Srivastav ji, President Delhi State, and Shri Jivesh Kumar Tiwari ji, General Secretary Delhi State. Sir, we welcome you all on this virtual dais. Today on this special day, we also have with us Shri Baldev Mahajan ji, ex-president Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Shri Bhaskar Kulkarni ji, he was also president of Akhil Bharatiya of Delhi State. Shri Joydeep Rai ji, former organizational secretary. Shri Arun Bhardwaj ji, senior advocate as well as former vice president Adhivakta Parishad Delhi State. And we also have with us Shri Ashok Kashyap ji, who was also the founder member, as well as he is the president of Adhivakta Parishad Delhi High Court Unit. And Shri Sanjay Poddar ji, पालक दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट यूनिट। सर, हम आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करते हैं आज के मूड कोर्ट कंपटीशन के इनॉग्रेट सेशन में। Now to start with the formal inauguration and the speeches, first of all, I would like to request Shri Siddharth Luthra ji, senior advocate, son of Shri Advocate Shri K.K. Luthra ji, who was also a senior advocate. Luthra sir specializes in criminal law, white collar crimes, and cyber frauds. Sir is also a member of Delhi State Legal Services Authority and the Vice President of the Indian Criminal Justice Society. In year 2012, month July, Sir was appointed as the ASG of India at the Supreme Court of India. Apart from litigation, Sir also teaches law in India and abroad. Sir is a visiting faculty professor at Northumbria University at Newcastle, United Kingdom, and an honorary professor at the MET University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And a very important thing which everybody should know about Sir is, Sir dedicates 30 to 40% of his cases to pro bono. Sir, we are extremely feeling pleasure, honored that you are here. I request you to kindly come on the virtual dais and enlighten the students with your motivational speech. Sir, am I audible? Some connectivity issue with Sir's network. We'll just hold on for a few seconds. Otherwise, we'll proceed and wait for Sir to rejoin. Okay, we'll wait for Sir to rejoin. We'll proceed with the program. We also have with us Shri K. Srinivas Murthy ji, Working President Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad. Sir did his LLB from Osmania University Campus Law College after MSc. Sir was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1989, and Sir is a practicing advocate at the High Court of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Sir, I request you to please come on the virtual dais and tell something about Adhivakta Parishad, Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad, to the forwarding lawyers.
Good evening. Namaskar to everyone. Hope I'm audible now.
Yes, sir. Very crisp and clear.
Respected Vinayak Dixit ji, our President, Bharat Kumar ji, General Secretary, and other senior members of Akhil Bharatiya Adhivakta Parishad and founder members of especially at Delhi. Good evening, namaskars to all of them, and to Siddharth Luthra ji, who is here to give a motivational speech to all of us here. I promise you one thing, I won't stand between all of you and Siddharth Rutraji for more than 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, if so, you can bear with me for 4 to 5 minutes at least. As you had already been briefed, that's what I guess. Otherwise, most of the participants can log on to Adhivakta Parishad website and look into our vision and mission document. Adhivakta Parishad is a pan-India organization of lawyers who got the national reconstruction as at their heart and working with the motto of national renaissance. And it's having working groups all over India, including Northeast, Jammu Kashmir, etc. The Adhivakta Parishad has been formed in 1992. All those details will be given to you in a theoretical manner later on. With various elders and senior advocates and retired judges from all over India. And the constitutional values for which all of us should adhere to. These are our core value system. And especially decolonizing the Indian jurisprudence, present Indian jurisprudence, and bring it in tune with the local values and local needs. All of you have been students of law and jurisprudence and legal history. Indian justice system, Indian Bharatiya jurisprudence must have been the papers most of you must have gone through. So we need to get through some of those values and see that the present legal system is in tune with the local, our historical and cultural values. So this is a long working system going on, especially for the young advocates, because many of our senior members had already been saying that the dispute resolution mechanism is the most important aspect of any civilized society. The dispute resolution mechanism includes adjudicators and persons who present the cases of the citizens before the various dispute resolution forms. Many of the youngsters must have heard enough of saying that the present quality of the dispute resolution system is not up to the mark, and the output qualitatively and quantitatively is not up to the expectations of citizens of this country. So my senior Justice Parvatra, who was a former working president, Baldev Mahajanji, all these people had been harping upon, saying that unless you have good advocates, you won't have good judges. Unless you have good judges, you can't speak of good, reasonably viable, and good justice delivery system. Dispute resolution mechanism with justice delivery system, unless you have skilled people with appropriate motivation among the persons who decide the cases, as well as among the persons who present the cases before the appropriate fora, unless they have enough skills and motivation and the maturity, the quality of the dispute resolution system will not be good enough. And as I was saying earlier, the quality of a civilized society depends upon its dispute resolution mechanism and its justice delivery system. It is one of the benchmarks based upon which the quality of the life of the citizens is being measured. For that purpose, we had been focusing upon the young advocates getting in discussion with various study circles. So many of you who will be enrolling will be seeing in the various courts once in a week, twice in a month, or something like that. The young advocates, senior advocates together discuss about various legal issues in appropriate background of the judgments, etc., so that new ideas would crop up and would be trained well. And in that process, enhancing the skills of the younger generation of advocates who will be entering into this profession. One of the issues of Adhivakta Parishad active units like Delhi Adhivakta Parishad has taken up is moot court competitions. So I congratulate Delhi Adhivakta Parishad, especially High Court unit, for taking this up. And it will be a issue where everyone in all over the country, many of the high courts and state units will start emulating it. So the skills of a advocate, how do they, you should hone the skills. Unless you have the skills, what are the best case can be spoiled by an advocate who's not prepared. So then I keep on just reminding of one old joke about the lawyers, especially young lawyers. So young lawyers entered the profession along with his senior. And after 1 week, he was telling his friends, my senior alone knows the law, no one else knows the law. Then after 2 weeks, he had tea with his friends and said that, my senior's opponent knows the law better. Then after 3 weeks, about a month, he said, none of the fellows knows the law except the judge. Okay. After 6 weeks, he declared that none of them know the law except myself. No, that should be confidence anyway. You'll be changing your opinions as you do the profession. And when a skilled advocate, who will be Siddhartha Luthraji, will be telling you, he is one of the skilled and motivated counsel. He is an appropriate person to I heard him quite a lot of times, not only as a speaker, but many times as a counsel also. You must hear, as advocates, you must be listening to many of your competing teams. After that, you will be entering into the profession. Please learn to listen to advocates who argue the cases and think about them. That's how you enhance your skills. And for every case, there is a turning point, like you have a film story. One story takes a turn like this. Like that, for every case, the heart will be somewhere else, and you should be able to twist the appropriate facts and present it appropriately. Hope you begin that skills enhancement program with this moot court competition, and you will learn a lot with listening to the colleagues as well as the seniors. And I congratulate all of you for deciding to participate in this competition, and I congratulate the organizers. And I thank Siddhartha Luthraji on behalf of Adhivakta Parishad for sparing time and joining us and motivating youngsters. Sir, all of us, including many of the senior advocates who are here, are eager to listen to you. And over to the person who's coordinating the. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words were a really guiding spirit for all of us. And इन्हीं बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए अधिवक्ता परिषद दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट यूनिट ने एक छोटा सा कदम बढ़ाया और हम सेकेंड नेशनल क्रिमिनल वर्चुअल मोट कोर्ट कंपटीशन करने में सफल रहे। और आशा करते हैं कि आपकी इसी तरह से गाइडेंस मिलती रहेगी और सब लोगों का साथ होगा, तो आने वाले वर्षों में भी हम इसी तरह से मोट कोर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते रहेंगे। टाइम खराब है तो हम वर्चुअली ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं। वी होप, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, कि हम कुछ टाइम बाद फिजिकली मिलें और फिजिकली प्रोग्राम्स करें, होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट। So now I think Siddharth Luthra sir has joined now, and the network is also working fine. First of all, I would like to request all the participants to please switch on your cameras. Don't force us to disqualify you. Please switch on your cameras. This is the last warning. Everybody, please switch on your cameras. All the participants, the researcher, the speakers, everybody.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, right now it's not possible for me to turn on my
Just
camera.
message me everything. Just please don't interrupt in between, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sir has joined now. Namaskar, sir. Sir, the virtual stage is all yours now.
Namaskar, I'm here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Shri Srinivas Murthy, with whom I'm sharing this virtual stage, uh, Justice Adarsh Goel, Justice MC Garg, who is a former senior colleague of ours, a member of my late father's chamber, Mr. Mahajan, Bharat Kumar, and other friends, and my young students and participants. My apologies for this peculiar mechanism of joining from the car, but I had some official work and I'm in transit, so I've now decided to stop on the way so that we don't have any unnecessary breaks. I hope you can hear me well and clearly. The organizers were just telling my young students to keep the cameras off, otherwise they would be disqualified. I must warn you that in the virtual era, most of us lawyers keep switching cameras on and off. और अगर आपने इनको अभी से ही आदत इनकी ठीक कर दी तो अच्छा रहेगा. Otherwise, they'll become like us, where we keep switching from court to court by switching cameras. So I'm glad you're telling them to be more disciplined than some of us are, and we're most grateful for that lesson. This is a moot court problem on my area of interest. I'm a student of criminal law. I'm glad I was not introduced as a criminal lawyer, because sometimes what happens is taxation lawyer ko aap taxation law karo, that's a very civilized thing. Civil lawyer is happy to be called civil. To call somebody a criminal lawyer may not always be appropriate. Many years ago, I get worried when people call me a criminal lawyer. I wonder which part they're focusing on, the criminal part or the lawyer part. I hope they're focusing on the lawyer part. So I normally like to be referred to as a lawyer practicing criminal law, not a criminal lawyer. It becomes a little problem when the two words are used together. Today, I was looking through your moot court problem, a very interesting issue. You've got the Delhi Special Cell, you've got the NIA, very creative and tough work. And I must compliment the person who's written and drafted this moot court problem. Having said that, I must also say that I'm very glad that I'm not participating, because I found it rather complicated. And I do hope that you will share with me the written submissions of the winners and some of the other good written submissions. Perhaps I may get an idea for some of my forthcoming cases, and I'd love to learn from all the students, because very often the creativity which the young minds will produce will nowhere be near what jaded mind like mine can state. What are moot courts about? Moot courts are about the depth of your study, about your power of analysis, about your perseverance, about your ability to think on your feet. It's a precursor to the real world of legal practice. More important than that, while it is a glance into litigation for you in the future, it is also about team spirit and camaraderie. Team spirit because a team of three, including the researcher, work as one unit. And that's very important for any profession, especially for us. Camaraderie because, unfortunately, in the virtual world, you will not make many friends. You will end up learning a lot from your opponents in every round. You must learn. There are some things which they will know or they will do better than you. There are some you might do better than them. But it is important to make friends. I remember I participated in the All India National Bar Council moot court in 1988 in Osmania. And I have come away with friends who are still with me many years on, more than 30 years on. We call this a competition. Very interesting. A good word, because it is a competition. It is about success and loss. But this is not about winning alone. It's also about determining who you are competing with. In life, as in law, we all as professionals tend to compete with ourselves. You may be pitted against another team. You may be up to get better marks than the opposing team. But eventually, please remember, young friends, you are really competing with yourself, because it is for you to show what you can do right. And after the competition is over and done with, I want all of you to sit back and spend some time contemplating and analyzing. Could I have done better? When I was working as a law officer, I used to work under a very brilliant, outstandingly brilliant lawyer, the late Ghulam Banbati. And he taught me a lesson which he learned, and I started adapting that lesson about 10 years ago, that after reading, after preparing your file overnight or even in the early hours of the morning, some amount of the time was always spent uncluttered, trying to analyze, trying to think about what you would say or do if confronted with an awkward question, including the snub you may have to give to your opponent if he behaves in an obnoxious manner. Not that you should be snubbing your opponents necessarily. Life is full of examinations. You may think the moot court is one such examination. In our time, we did not have such an organized system. We had one All India moot court. We didn't have more than that. When I was in school, I used to think, "Arey bhai, exam kab khatam honge?" 12th standard came and went. Everybody said college is a new time. So we went to college, but there were still exams. Then college got over. Then we went to law college. And I said, law college, now is the time for exams to end. So law college ended, 1/3 exams had ended. So when I went to do my master's, I chose a master's in MPhil in criminology because I did not want to take exams. I was happy to research and write papers. Perhaps I should have been an academic. I always wanted to be an academic, but life has different things in store for you, and here I am before you. After the MPhil, I was very satisfied because I said, now I'm finished with exams, no more exams. And then I discovered every day has multiple examinations. The examination doesn't end. But now you're not marked necessarily about winning or losing. It's about fighting the good fight, about doing your best, about doing justice to the brief that's been entrusted to you. There was, friends, the fight of the good fight is what's a noble profession. You will read, I hope someday, if you've not already read.
I think there is some connectivity issue with Sir's network. Sir is out. We'll be keeping on hold for 1 minute. We'll be waiting Sir to rejoin. I would also like to request the participants to please hear Sir's speech very carefully. This will be a guiding factor for all of you. Yes, Sir is rejoined. Thank you so much, Sir, for rejoining.
I'm sorry, I had a...
No, sir, we understand the technical glitches.
Power outage. I had a power outage for a moment.
Okay, no issue, sir.
I was telling you,
Thank you.
When I parted company with you, we were talking about ethics, and I was telling you about the noble profession. Now, law is a noble profession, and I hope someday, we were not really taught this, but we were guided about ethics. And the Bar Council rule talks about ethics. The rules are on fairness to your colleagues, on fairness to your opponents, fairness to the court, fairness to your client, fairness to the opposite side. And it's also avoiding sharp practices, things which may be technically illegal, but inappropriate for an officer of court. For a prosecutor, there is a greater degree of fairness, and that is important because a prosecutor is not only to prosecute the prosecution and succeed, but also to ensure that the accused is protected. In my designation today, I noticed in the poster, you had, in a sense, you had referred to me as Additional Solicitor General for the Government of India. A very senior lawyer once taught me a lesson. He said, Siddharth, remember, you are Additional Solicitor General, not only for the Union of India, but the Union is a representative of the people of India. As a lawyer, as a professional, you must be sensitive to individual rights. And therefore, it is important and imperative that you also protect the rights of those who you may be prosecuting. And while the government is your client, the state or the center, you must also remember that you owe a higher duty to the citizens, and you must be balanced without compromising your client's interest. One of the important things that lawyers must also do, and I'm going to encourage you to do it, is do legal aid work. When you become young lawyers, do pro bono work. It is very important. How else do you give back to the society? How else do you give back to this country? How else do you give back to people? Sometimes the causes you get are very difficult. I recently had a case which I was arguing in the Supreme Court, and for days we thought about it. It was a legal aid matter. It was marked to me, and we were not finding a way out. And if you look at it, it seemed indefensible. I can tell you the case, the judgment is reserved, but it was the Attorney General had moved a motion. The National Commission for Women were up against us. The state of Maharashtra challenged it, and I was representing these two poor accused. Now, the point is, as a legal aid counsel, we got the record, we got it placed, we've tried to do our best. And the satisfaction, my young friends, you will get from a cause like this is, it may seem difficult. You may feel that, why does anybody defend this accused? It's an open and shut crime. But when we look, and Mr. Murthy was talking about the need to decolonize the system. It's important. There's no doubt about it. But decolonization does not necessarily mean doing away with some of our constitutional values, especially the values of fundamental rights. And in our fundamental rights, the crucial value is the presumption of innocence, the right of silence, and these are very important. Without these, we will be an unfair and a failed society. What is the role of lawyers in society? It's been the role of lawyers not only now, but over generations prior to the freedom struggle, during the freedom struggle, including after the freedom struggle. And that, my young friends, is to fight injustice. That, my young friends, is to protect the rights of those who do not have access to justice. Today, please understand, what you're working on, the virtual platforms have actually democratized the legal profession in a sense, but also made it difficult for those who do not have access to technology to reach the courts. And therefore, we as lawyers, it is our role, not only as lawyers, it is the oath we take when we join the profession, that we must fight against injustice. We must fight for what is right. And we must defend those who are incapable of defending themselves, because that is the oath we take when we join this noble profession. And that is what makes this profession noble. The profession is not about victory and loss alone, as I said earlier. And I repeat, it is about fighting the good fight. The crime at times may be abhorrent. Sometimes, we look at it and say, listen, this is terrible. Why is this lawyer defending so-and-so? But then we have to remind ourselves, we are not creatures of headlines. We are not creatures of primetime TV. That debate is better left to people who want to be newsmakers. Our karma bhumi, our dharma yudh is in the criminal justice system, in the courts. That is where we must fight our battles. That is where we must put the best possible effort. And that is where we must use every ounce of our energy, our hard work, and our commitment to seek to achieve justice for those who do not have access to justice. Today, the fact that a person has been given the death penalty, the fact that it's a terrible crime, is not the guiding factor. When we decided, and when you will choose to become lawyers, when you get your sanad, when you get your license to practice, please remember that day you will defend anybody without fear or favor. Do you remember? And I'll tell you something, look sometimes and see the gown that lawyers wear. Senior lawyers, no, but normal lawyers wear a gown. Behind the gown, there is a pocket. You know what that pocket symbolizes? In the old days, in the UK system, and that's one part of the colonial system, which we actually need to adopt. There used to be a bori, there used to be a bag, a rucksack, behind the lawyer's back, so that whichever litigant would come, some would put in money, some would put in potatoes, some would put in food, some would put in milk. People would put in whatever they could afford, and the lawyer, unmindful of who would put in what, would try and do justice to all his or her briefs. That is the spirit I want you to start your profession with. You're all from wonderful law schools. You're all from privileged backgrounds. And I know you will do well. 2 requests. Some of you must consider, and I understand litigation is not necessarily for the faint-hearted and law firms offer better opportunities. But please, some of you must consider litigation. Please, we need good talent in litigation. Secondly, as litigators, never be afraid of the cause. Caste, creed, religion, community does not define us. What defines us is the desire and the ability to uphold the laws and the Constitution. With that, I will end my little talk today. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. It's been a real privilege to be amongst you. I will remain as long as the technology allows me to be. But thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Adhivakta Parishad. बहुत shukriya.
Thank you so much, sir. And it was indeed a pleasure to listen to you. And we are glad that you stopped your journey in between, which shows your dedication towards the commitment. And this is all we should learn from sir, कि sir कितनी important काम से जा रहे होंगे. But क्योंकि sir commitment था, तो sir बीच में रुके, technology resolve करी, and sir ने बहुत अच्छे से अपनी speech दी. ऑल्सो सर की कुछ पॉइंटर्स हैं जो हम सबको अपने माइंड में अपनी लीगल प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करने के लिए, इनफैक्ट जो हम लोग भी प्रैक्टिसिंग लॉयर्स भी हैं, हम लोग को भी अपनी लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट करनी चाहिए. And I would personally like to incorporate all your teachings sir into my legal practice, because मुझे भी, मैं सबके सामने एडमिट करती हूँ, मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि गाउन के पीछे पॉकेट क्या सिंबलाइज कर रही है. That was indeed a pleasure to listen. Thank you so much. Your speech was surely, like, it surely increased our knowledge metabolism. It was really a cherry on the cake for all of us. And I would like to request all the participants कि सर ने जो भी बताया है उसको अपनी लाइफ में, अपने आने वाले लीगल प्रोफेशन में, एज वेल एज मूड कोर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन में इनकॉर्पोरेट करें और उसी के साथ अपना legal profession start करें. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's been
Thank
a
you,
pleasure.
sir.
And all the best to the young participants. Enjoy yourselves. Don't do work hard, but enjoy yourself, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Now, for the formal vote of thanks from Adhivakta Parishad, Delhi High Court Union, I would like to request Shri Jitesh Vikram Srivastav ji, President, Adhivakta Parishad, Delhi State, to please come on the virtual stage for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ridhima. आज लूथरा जी ने इतनी मोटिवेशनल स्पीच दी है, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था कि पॉकेट क्यों होती है. मैंने कई बार सुना तो था, लेकिन आज सही अर्थों में लूथरा सर ने बताया कि क्यों होती पॉकेट. मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ सबसे पहले श्री संजय पोद्दार जी, जो हमारे दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट यूनिट में है और दिल्ली स्टेट में भी है, जिनके सहयोग से ये सारा कार्यक्रम हो रहा है और उनका ऑफिस पूरा इसी कार्यक्रम के लिए प्रयोग में लाया जा रहा है. मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा हमारे वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट श्री श्रीनिवास मूर्ति जी का, जिन्होंने अपना बहुमूल्य समय हम लोगों को दिया और हमारे सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीच के साथ साथ अधिवक्ता परिषद क्या है इसके बारे में बताया. मैं उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ. मैं दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की टीम, जो कि श्री अशोक कश्यप जी प्रेसिडेंट है, जिनके नेतृत्व में ये सारा मूड कोर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन हो रहा है, और उनकी इस टीम की स्पिरिट को सभी ने सहयोग दिया. लगभग 90-80 लोग लगे हुए हैं इस टीम में और इस कार्य को करने के लिए. मैं उन सारी टीम को धन्यवाद देता हूँ, हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूँ. और उसके साथ साथ अब मैं इसके पश्चात पूरी दिल्ली की अधिवक्ता परिषद की टीम को भी धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को कराया. और आप सब जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, उनको इसलिए धन्यवाद कि सबने अंदर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ उत्सुकता है कि हम कुछ करके बने. जैसे सिद्धार्थ लूथरा सर ने कहा कि आपको एक अच्छा लॉयर किस तरह से बनना होगा, क्या करना होगा, ये भावना हमारे मूर्ति सर ने ऐसी बात कही है कि आप 1 डे, 2nd डे, 3rd डे कैसी स्थिति आए. तो ये सब हम इंस्पिरेशन जो उनसे मिली है, ये हम कंटिन्यू करें. और मैं इसी के साथ सभी का एक बार फिर से पुनः धन्यवाद करता हूँ और अधिवक्ता परिषद की तरफ से आप सभी को अपनी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. धन्यवाद. ओवर टू रिद्धिमा.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to all the respected dignitaries and the founder members, the members of Delhi State of National Executive for joining us. Thank you all. Now we'll be starting with a draw of lots. Teammates, participants, please be here. Don't leave the meeting. All the participants as well as the researchers, speakers, everybody, please be here. We'll be starting with the draw of lots, in which we'll be telling you which team will be competing, will be facing which team.
Can I take your leave, please, now?
Sure, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind presence.
And I must also thank Ashok Kashyap ji for this
दूसरा
opportunity.
जी आई एम सो मच थैंकफुल टू यू सर। एक सिंगल कॉल से आप मेरी कॉल से आ गए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और आप हमेशा हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमसे जुड़े रहे।
Shukriya, sir. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Now I would like to request Akash Vajpayee ji and Rupinder Pal Singh ji to please come on the virtual stage for the draw of lots. Teams, please be attentive. We'll be disclosing which team will be facing. We'll be having a transparent draw of lots. You'll be knowing about like which team will be facing which team. Over to you, Akash ji and Rupinder ji.
Thank you, Ridhima ji. Namaskar to all. We are going to start the draw. 523, first team.
517, second.
523, you would be for the prosecution.
And 517 for the defense.
Your timing would be 9 to 10:30 tomorrow.
Please keep noting, teams, please keep noting your timings as well as the opposite team. We'll be sending the memorials as well as the link after the session. Next, please.
552 for the prosecution.
519 for the defense.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30.
And date will be 13th of October. Please note.
555 for the prosecution.
510 for the defense.
Timing 9 to 10:30, 13th October.
561 for the prosecution.
521 for the defense.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30. 545 for the prosecution.
576 for the defense.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30 tomorrow. 547 for the prosecution.
554 for the defense.
Timing is 11 to 12:30. 551 for the prosecution.
501 for the defense.
Timing would be 11 to 12:30 tomorrow. 536 for the prosecution.
511 for the defense.
Timing would be 11 to 12:30. 531 for the prosecution.
512 for the defense.
11 to 12:30. Timing would be 11 to 12:30. 535 for the prosecution.
549 for the defense.
11 to 12:30. 544 for the prosecution.
530 for the defense.
Timing would be 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. 526 for the prosecution.
565 for the defense.
1 to 2:30. 550 for the prosecution.
558 for the defense.
Timing would be 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. 516 for the prosecution.
520 for the defense.
1 to 2:30. 553 for the prosecution.
532 for the defense.
537 for the prosecution.
538 for the defense.
Timing would be 3 to 4:30. Last slot.
Second last.
Second last. 539 for the prosecution.
505 for the defense.
3 to 4:30. 502 for the prosecution.
504 for the defense.
Timing is 3 to 4:30. 562 for the prosecution.
577 for the defense.
Timing would be 3 to 4:30. 5:40 for the prosecution.
541 for the defense.
Timing is 3 to 4:30. Now we'll start the draw for the 14th October. That's it. Okay. So those team, yeah.
Team code 541 is from defense side, but timing
541. Just 1 minute.
3 to
You can
4:30.
ask all these questions once we've done with the withdrawal. Then you should ask all those questions. Just let me,
Okay,
let us finish all the draws.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start a draw for the 14th October. The preliminary round 2.
Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. Sir, can I know the opposite team for 536?
Just let us finish all the draw, then you can ask the question. Okay? Just let us finish all the draw.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We are going to start for the 14th October. Preliminary round, second. 541. You would be for the prosecution.
Sir,
540. Please tell me. हम अभी स्टार्ट 14 अक्टूबर के लिए कर रहे हैं. जो टीम 13 को प्रोसिक्यूशन के लिए थी वो 14 को अपोजिट साइड चली जाएगी, या फिर जो टीम 13 को डिफेंस के लिए थी वो 14 को प्रोसिक्यूशन के लिए हो जाएगी. 541 for the prosecution.
562 for the defense.
577 for the prosecution.
531 for the defense.
505 for the prosecution.
514 for the defense.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30. 565 for the
526
prosecution.
for the defense.
565 for the prosecution.
526 for the defense.
Timing is 9 to
Excuse me,
10:30. Yeah, please.
So the same team has been against us in the rounds.
No issue. That can happen. That can happen.
Okay, okay.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30. 504 for the prosecution.
535 for the defense.
Timing would be 9 to 10:30. 558 for the prosecution.
552 for the defense.
Time is 11 to 12:30. 538 for the prosecution.
517 for the defense.
532 for the prosecution.
555 for the defense.
11 to 12:30.
You didn't mention
520 for the prosecution.
537 for the defense.
11 to 12:30. 530 for the prosecution.
544 for the defense.
11 to 12:30. 549.
539 for the defense.
549 for the prosecution. Timing is 1 to 2:30. 523 for the prosecution.
536 for the defense.
1 to 2:30. 501 for the prosecution.
551 for the defense.
510 for the prosecution.
550 for the defense.
1 to 2:30. Timing would be 511 for the prosecution.
553 for the defense.
Timing, sir.
554 for the prosecution.
516 for the defense.
3 to 4:30. 521 for the prosecution.
502 for the defense.
3 to 4:30. 512 for the prosecution.
547 for the defense.
3 to 4:30. 576 for the prosecution.
561 for the defense.
519 for the prosecution.
545 for the defense.
3 to 4:30 timing would be. Now, whoever missed their team side or their timing, they can re-ask the question. They can ask the question. For the 13 or for the 14?
So for the 13th.
5 and 7.
5 and 7. Just one. 5 and 7.
It's 523.
523.
523 for prosecution, 517 for defense, 9 to 10:30, 13th October.
So then we have same for we are doing same for defense for the 14th also.
No issues. This can happen.
This can happen.
Sir, could you repeat for 547 for 13th as well as 14th?
547 timing would be 11 to 12:30. On 13 you would be arguing for the prosecution, and 547 for the timing would be 3 to 4:30, and for the defense 547.
Sir, please could you speak about 576 at 14th October?
576.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
561 and 3 to 4:30, 14th October.
You are asking about the 14th?
Yeah.
576?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's 576 for the prosecution. Slot will be at 3 to 4:30.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, hello, sir. Hello, sir.
510.
Yeah, one by one, please.
Sir, team code 538, 14th of October. Timings 538.
Yeah, just 1 minute.
538 is at for the prosecution, and timing will be 11 to 12:30.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, team code 541.
542
for 14th October.
541.
Yes, yes.
Is for the prosecution. The timing will be 9 to 10:30.
Sir, who is opponent?
562 for the defense on 14th of October. 562. 562.
Thank you.
Sir, team code 565. Kindly repeat both the times, sir, please. And date, sir.
On 13, you would be arguing for the defense, and the timing would be 1 to 2:30. 565 on 13 for the defense, 1 to 2:30.
And on 14th, the timing will be 9 to 10:30. 565 for the prosecution, and from the defense is 5 to 6.
Hello, sir. I wanted to know the timings for team number 553 on 13th and 14th.
553.
Yes, sir.
1 to 2:30 on 13th for the prosecution, 553.
And on 14th October, it will be on 1 to 2:30. 553 for the defense, and the prosecution is 551. 511.
Sir, this is 511.
Yes.
For 14th of October, can you repeat the timing, please?
It's 1 to 2:30.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir, 520. Timings on 13th October.
540.
520.
520. 1 to 2:30 defense.
And on 14th, it will be at 11 to 12:30 for the prosecution.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 532 for 13th.
Sorry?
532 for 13th.
532 for 13th.
1 to 2:30 for the defense.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, team 558, sir, 13th, timing and opposite team.
558, 1 to 2:30, you would be arguing for the defense. 550 for the prosecution. 550 would be against you. They would be arguing for the prosecution.
Thank you.
Sir, 554 on 13th.
Sir, team code 541. Can I know 13th and 14th timing?
541.
3 to 4:30 on 13th.
3 to 4:30 on 13th.
9 to 10:30 on 14th.
9 to 10:30 on 14th.
Sir, for 561.
561.
Just wanted to reconfirm.
9 to 10:30.
Against team 5 to 1,
13th.
right?
Sorry?
Against team 5 to 1, right?
Yes, right.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Dates and timing for team code 530, please.
5:30 on 13th. Timing is 1 to 2:30.
Sir, team 523 on
5?
523.
523.
On which date?
On which date? For which date?
14.
14th.
14th will be the time is 1 to 2:30 for the prosecution, and defense is 536.
Sir, we are going.
Sir, could I please know the timings of TC 502?
502.
Yes, sir.
For which date?
For 13 and 14.
For 13, timing is 3 to 4:30.
And on 14th, the timing is 3 to 4:30, and you are for the defense 502.
Thank you, sir.
Opposite team is 521.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, team 510, 14th October, sir, opposite team and timings.
510.
1 to 2:30.
1 to 2:30 is the time, and opposite team is 550 for the defense. You are for the prosecution.
544 for 14th October.
544.
Yes.
The time slot is 3 to 4:30, and you are for the prosecution. Defense is 516.
Sir, can you repeat the timings and dates for team code 530 for 14th of
534.
5:30 or 5:34?
Sir, 530.
530.
On 13, timing would be 1 to 2:30. You would be for the defense.
And on 14th, your timing is 11 to 12:30. You are for the prosecution.
Okay, and the opposing team code, sir?
Opposing team on 14th is 544.
And on 13 is 554.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Sir, can you please repeat the opposite team on 13th against 526?
56. 565. 565.
Thank you, sir.
Timing is 1 to 2:30.
Sir, could you please tell me the timing and the opposing team for code 551 for 13th?
551. Yes, timing would be 11 to 12:30. You would be for the prosecution. Opposite team is 501. 501.
Support 55.
Thank you, sir.
554 round.
Which team?
554, sir.
554.
Opposite team, sir.
On 13th or 14th?
512.
On 13, 554. On 13, your timing would be 11 to 12:30. And the opposite team is 547.
And on 14th, your timing is 3 to 4:30. You are for the prosecution, and opposing team is 516 for the defense.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
TC 505 is scheduled for 13th October from 3 to 4:30 against team 539. So I just wanted to know that whether TC 505 is scheduled for 14th October as well.
505.
Yeah.
505.
Timing on 14 would be 9 to 10:30. And the opposite team is 514.
At that time, we will be representing prosecution side, right?
Yes.
On 14, you would be for the defense. 505.
505. On 14th, 505 is for the prosecution, and the opposing team is 514 for the defense.
And timing would be 9 to 10:30.
9 to 10:30, right.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Which are the two teams against 550?
550.
On 13 is 558. नहीं 550 का पूछना है.
You're asking for 550, right?
Yes, 550.
Yes.
558 is on 13th.
Correct. Okay.
558 or 550?
550.
Sir, my team
She's
code is
asking- she's asking
550.
about the
I'm
opposite team,
asking
right?
my opposition. Yes. I'm
So
asking-
510 on 14th.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. And both are at 1 to 2:30.
2:30.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Right.
Team 544. I want to know the timing for both the days, 13th and 14th.
544.
1 to 2:30
Yes,
on
sir.
13th.
544.
1 to 2:30
On 13th.
on 13th.
554. 544.
544.
13th, on 13th, it's 1 to 2:30 for 554.
And sir, on 14th?
On 14th is 11 to 12:30 for the defense, 544.
Okay, sir,
And,
thank you.
for the prosecution is 530.
Sir, we have got prosecution.
So 501, can we know the dates on 14th?
Prosecution for both the same.
Oh, 510.
501.
501.
501 on 14th is slot is 1 to 2:30. You are for the prosecution, and for the defense side is 551.
Okay,
And on 13, your timing would be 11 to 12:30, and opposing team would be 551.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, team 555. Sir, our midterm exams are going on, so we won't be able to join before 1 p.m. on both the 13 or 14 as well.
What's your team code?
Team 555.
555.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at what time you can join?
After 1, sir. After 1 p.m.
Okay, we'll let you know through the email. Okay, just write us an email. We will let you know.
Thank you, sir.
Talking about 555.
Yeah, 555.
See, team 523 have got the prosecution for the both same days. Is it all right to get the prosecution side for the both?
No,
days?
which team code? Which team code?
523.
523.
Yeah.
523, you would be for the prosecution on 13th. Timing would be 9 to 10:30.
Yeah.
Acha. Just on 13 you are for the defense. On 13 you are for the defense.
Okay. We're for the defense on 13 and prosecution from on the 14th.
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you.
523 now.
Yeah, 523, right? 523, you would be for the defense on 13th.
523.
And on 14 you would be for the prosecution.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Sir, team 516. I want to know that the team, which is the team against us on 13th.
520.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, I just wanted to confirm of 13th October, the team code is 545.
First slot.
545.
Yes, sir.
Yes, on 13 you would be your timing would be 9 to 10:30.
Okay, prosecution side, right, sir?
Correct.
Okay, can I just also confirm for 14th October?
545. Yeah.
Your
3 to
time
4:30.
3 to 4:30 for the defense, and the opposite
Okay, thank
team
you,
is
thank you.
519.
So, will you be
please,
able to send the slot list via mail or via WhatsApp or something?
Sure. We would be sending to all the teams.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So till when we can expect the memos?
Within 2 hours probably.
Okay, sir, I have one more question. What would be the medium of the rounds? Google Meet or Zoom? Because
Google
it
Meet.
had,
Google Meet. We would be
okay.
sending you the link of the Google Meet.
But sir, okay, because the changing of name is not possible on the Google Meet platform. It could be done only via Google.
What is not possible?
Okay, so
What is not
we'll look into it. Yes, sir. So we cannot change the name directly on Google Meet. We'll have to change the name
You
on
can
the
change the
ID.
name on Google Meet.
No, then make a separate email ID and then you can log in through that email ID.
Yes, sir. We'll have to see to it. Right. Okay.
Okay, anyone else? Okay, Rajamani, we are done here.
Yes, we can wind up the program. Students will be sharing the memorials as well as the link within 2 hours probably. It can be a bit late also, please cooperate. And we'll be meeting tomorrow as early as 9 a.m. Yes.
Ma'am, our opposing team has requested for the change in time. So ma'am, till when we will come to know about the same? Like team 555 has asked for.
We'll be confirming everything on email now. Okay, we are winding up for today. And if you have any kind of queries, please mail us. We'll be sharing the memorials as well as the links by like within 2 hours probably. It can be a bit late. Please cooperate. And okay, we'll be meeting tomorrow as early as 9 a.m. All the best for tomorrow, 13th October, as well as for 14th, the pre-rounds. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. We all may leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.